Soil Water Holding Capacity Lab. Drying soil samples. Many measurements of soil, including this one, require drying the soil prior to the measurement. Otherwise, watering the initial sample may affect your results. Drying can be done by either spreading the sample in sunlight for several hours, placing the sample in a 105 degrees Celsius oven for several hours, or placing it in a crucible with a Bunsen burner until dried. This experiment will compare the water holding capacity of soil samples. We will be comparing 3 different soil samples. 3 sets of apparatus will be used. Each consists of a closed glass tube with a funnel at the top. The bottom of the funnel is plugged with cotton wool, which will let water through but not soil. The tubes are labeled for each sample which is added to the funnel. The soil is weighed so that equal known masses of soil are added to each funnel. In this case, 30 grams of soil is added to each funnel. The funnel is tapped to carefully compact the soil and ensure there are no air gaps. An identical measured amount of water is slowly added to each funnel, in this case 60 milliliters. They are then left to stand until there is no longer any water exiting the funnel. This will take about an hour. All 60 milliliters of water has been poured into each funnel. The amount that passed into the closed cylinder is A. 55 milliliters, B. 45 milliliters, and C. 35 milliliters. We can now do data analysis. The first 4 columns record the data from the experiment. The 5th column, water held by soil, is calculated by subtracting the water collected from the water added. The difference must be held by the soil. The final column is calculated by dividing the mass of the water held by soil, remembering that 1 milliliter of water has a mass of 1 gram by soil mass.